There are many ways to keep your dome warm and cozy in the wintertime. In fact, many of our clients have given birth and raised growing families in our domes in cold climates. One of the most common methods of heating a dome is by wood stove. The stove flashing option we provide can fit into any of the pre-existing window openings. The flashing can accommodate a traditional wood stove or a pellet stove. The flashing diffuses all the heat without melting the fabric. This 30-foot dome in Cave Junction, Oregon is kept warm all year where it freezes quite often. The wood stove also helps prevent condensation on the bay window. For more extreme climates, and especially with larger domes, we recommend our Insulative Liner. The liner is made of water-resistant, easy-to-clean, fire-retardant Oxford nylon, backed with a Thinsulate liner that is naturally mold and mildew resistant. The liner creates a dead air space between the outer cover, keeping the dome nice and cozy.
You've got the outer cover, then you've got the frame. There's a dead air space between the outer cover and the inner cover here. And then you've got this insulated liner. Right now they just have their screen window in, but you can put a double pane window in there. Even people have lived in a dome this size in the same area as here without the liner.
Really, any modern heating method will work in a dome. Our clients who have used radiant heat flooring find it very effective. Solar, electric, and gas are also compatible with our domes. As the dome size increases, so does the BTU output required to achieve your desired temperature.
Hi, it's Carol coming from Missoula, Montana, here in our Pacific Dome. I'm going to tell you kind of how we keep it warm. So average Montana winter can be sometimes 15 below. We have 2 heaters and an insulation kit that keeps us pretty toasty. It gets steady 70 to 75 degrees. We have our conduct heater right here at the base, and then over here we have our mini split, and with the remote keeps it really nice and good, and you also get a great view. Thanks guys, bye.